You need to understand when you go to online, right? You want to create a business online. You need to get more traffic. First, more traffic. Traffic is nothing but the leads actually. It's not just any traffic, okay? It has to be a qualified traffic that becomes a lead, okay? That is, you need to understand. For any business you do, either affiliate or coaching, or if you're a 9-to-5 job, you need to transition that to a different revenue stream, then you need to get more customers. That is obvious. That is the first thing you need to remember. That is one thing. Second thing, when you are starting out, how do you think people will recognize that you are good? And why they should buy from you? Why? What is the reason behind it? Right? So in that case, you need to give more value. So this is very important. Right? One is traffic. Second one is more value, because when you start giving more value, you will start to build what? Tell me. When you start to give more value, you will build what? You will build more trust. Right? See, I'm doing like this because this microphone, I have to be close enough so that my audio quality will be good for you. Otherwise, see, I can't even speak more. I mean, you can't even listen to me properly. So that's why I'm becoming like this. Anyways, so more value equals to more trust. Okay? Because if you need to be legit, come on, you cannot be a fake around, you cannot be a fake guy, right? You have to be legit, because you need to think of long term, and if that is the case, you have to give more value. How to do that? We will cover it very soon. More traffic, more value. These are the two most important things, and obviously the best one is sales, right? Sales. At the end of the day, if you want to make money, you need more sales, right? That is the only way you will make more money. Now, is there a way that sales happens automatically? Is there a way? Is it possible? It is possible. It is possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that.